In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create financial reports in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business finances, and one of its standout features is the ability to generate detailed financial reports quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to review your profit and loss statement, check your balance sheet, or dive into other essential reports, QuickBooks makes it simple to customize and analyze your data. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's walk through the process step by step. First, open QuickBooks Online and take a look at the left-hand panel. This is your main navigation area where you'll find all the tools and features you need. From here, click on Reports. This will take you straight to the main reporting center where all your financial reports are organized. Once you're in the reporting center, navigate to the Standard tab. This is where you'll find a collection of core, ready-to-use reports that QuickBooks has prepared for you. These reports are designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your business finances with minimal setup. Now, scroll through the list of available reports, or if you have a specific report in mind, use the search bar to locate it more quickly. For this tutorial, we'll focus on two of the most commonly used reports, the profit and loss report and the balance sheet. Simply type the name of the report you're looking for, like profit and loss or balance sheet, and select it from the results. Once you've found the report you need, click on it to run the report automatically. QuickBooks will instantly generate the report using your current financial data. Now give it a moment to load. Depending on the size of your data, it may take a few seconds. Once it's ready, the report will display all the relevant information right on your screen. At the top of the report, you'll see a toolbar with several options for customizing the view. This is where you can tailor the report to suit your specific needs. One of the first things you'll want to adjust is the date range. For the profit and loss report, you'll want to choose a period that matches the insights you're looking for. For example, you can select options like last month, last quarter, year to date, or even set a custom range if there's a specific time frame you'd like to analyze. For the balance sheet, the process is slightly different. Instead of selecting a range, you'll choose an as of date. This could be the end of a specific month, the end of the fiscal year, or any other date you want to review. Next, you can adjust the columns included in the report to better suit your analysis. For the profit and loss report, you might want to display totals only for a high-level overview, or you can break out the data into columns by month or quarter for a more detailed look. For the balance sheet, it's generally a good idea to keep the columns simple and focused, as this report is designed to provide a snapshot of your financial position at a specific point in time. Once you've customized the report to your liking, take a moment to review the data to ensure it answers your specific financial questions. Whether you're evaluating profitability, tracking expenses, or analyzing your assets and liabilities, QuickBooks Online gives you the flexibility to create reports that provide the clarity you need. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.